Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now we are on our way to Santa Ynez. We're actually caught in some crazy traffic. There's maybe 30 cars in front of us. We're just sitting. Justin's shaving his beard today. So you guys will see a huge transformation in this vlog. So I wanted to show you guys these pops. They're called Dream Pops. 4 grams of sugar, 90 calories, coconut latte. And yeah, Justin's mom had these and we've been loving them, and she let us take some, which is nice. 100% plant-based. They're actually really delicious, guys. So this is what it looks like. Really good. Okay, this is Justin's beard. Let me see. Very nice. So this is part 2 of shaving his beard in crazy ways. I'll leave a little link down to the other video we did it in, but this one's much longer than last time, so I'm excited to see what we can do. Okay, these are our tools. Favorite shaving cream, just for the smell, but also Justin's favorite. And this Series 9, forgot the brand. Braun. This looks really good here, just having it like trimmed more. He had some hairs like down here. And then we did this,
yeah, this part
which he doesn't love. But I saw it in a picture, and also, yeah, we just cleaned up everything. And what's the next step? Huh? Are we gonna trim it and make it a shorter beard, or you wanna like experiment more?
Yeah,
okay, sounds good. Yes, look at that line. But it's my first time shaving a beard, and I think it looks pretty good. So the fade is much harder.
Actually, like went around.
Yeah, that's why you got doing it during the quarantine. Okay, so we just basically took this down. Now we're just gonna get rid of it completely and just have something like this going on.
This one is disgusting.
Just a little bit, only because of like how sparse that is.
Pretty gross, but
yeah. We're back to Justin's true self as an Italian. Okay, we just did a little, what is this, soul?
Yeah, I think it's a soul patch.
Soul patch. We're gonna leave it like that for tonight. So we're gonna go in the hot tub now, and it's super dark out, so I'm not gonna film it, but I will see you guys tomorrow for a super long day in Santa Ynez. I love it here. Justin, nice mustache. Like it. Anyway, see you guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features.
So Justin just made us amazing pancakes. He's the breakfast maker out of both of us. And also, you'll see that he still has the mustache from last night. I put up a poll. He's shaving it today. So we decided to go on a nature walk today, which is super easy in Santa Ynez Valley. This is our view. Gorgeous. I just love, like, of course all of this is like dead, like grass, but we did lay in it once on like towels and stuff. So maybe we'll do that here. I know this is a travel vlog, but I do want to show you guys my outfit because I'm obsessed with it. I feel like my Instagram has seen too much of it, but I have these Zulu and Safar jeans on, super comfortable. They feel like almost sweatpants, and they're just a really soft jean. And I like that they're high-waisted because I love crop tops. And so then I have this cute crop top. I actually show this among other things in my Verge Girl haul that's up, so I'm gonna leave a link to that down below so you can go watch it. I really love this store, like absolutely obsessed with it, and like the quality of this top is nice, and it wasn't that expensive, and it's just really cute looking, and yeah, it's my favorite thing right now. I think I've worn it like 100 times. But yeah, let's go walk around Santa Ynez Valley. This is the vineyard. It looks so pretty right now. So I just made some dinner for us, but we're gonna have some of this Justin wine that we got for Christmas. It's Justin Isosceles, and it's in Paso Robles. Jeez. Uncorking a bottle seems crazy. This is our dinner setup. I have some couscous and some carrots. I really love making carrots, but I think I'm gonna try to look up some sort of recipe to do. It's just boiled carrots with salt on it. I think I should learn to do like a glaze. And now some yummy wine. Hi everybody, so it's Sunday. I didn't vlog much yesterday at all because we were just around the house, lounging around. We went on a walk around the neighborhood, which is really nice because just like the valley is beautiful. But we're gonna go in the pool now and just enjoy it. Santa Ynez weather is insanely hot, which feels so nice, but yeah, I think it's just gonna be a nice pool day. And then there's this beautiful sauna right there. So yeah, just do that, enjoy the sun before we go back home tomorrow or tonight for working, and like we'll just be like inside all the time again. We are gonna we really like this weekend, and so we're just gonna remind ourselves to go out more and just in our area or whatever. Anyway, look at the beautiful day. Oh my god, guys, this thing is alive in this pool.
It's a spider, right?
He's a spider. He's holding onto the leaf.
That's the scariest spider I've ever seen.
And we thought he was dead, and he's massive. He's huge.
You can't even see its full body now.
Yeah, because he's underneath, clenching onto the leaf. He was huge.
God,
oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is the other bug that we saw in here that's massive. Okay. Okay, we're getting out now. Look at these cows over here. Oh, this one's curious. He's coming to us. How cute. Hi. Oh, we spooked him. Hi. We're not
gonna... He didn't run very far. He just ran.
Yeah. He still wanted to make sure. Hi, cow.
Run all the way up there.
Ooh, I kind of want to go up there. From far, it looks so nice to climb this, and then you look down and it's just all dusty. You want to run it? Go ahead. Go ahead, just don't break an ankle. You'll be fine. Ready? Let's see you run it. I'd run it.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being.
Justin's setting up food for us right now, but it's our 6th year anniversary and we have this very nice dinner. So even though we can't go out to a restaurant, I still really wanted to dress up a little bit for the occasion. I'm gonna jump in the bath really quickly. Okay, I just got ready. I just put these sunglasses on because they look really cute. So this is it. It's this maxi dress, the best material, literally. I'll leave a link down below for the clothing store because I forgot it. I love this dress. I actually got this dress at a sample sale in New York before I moved, and of course I lived in New York my whole life, and I love clothes, I love shopping, and I just love good material. I like buying something that I think is gonna last a long time. Of course H&M and Zara are great, but I want things like this, Anyway, I found out about sample sales right before I moved, but I did get to go to 3, and I got a bunch of designer dresses for pretty cheap. Like, this dress was under $100. Like, that's how much I paid for it. But on the site, it was like $525 or something. Like, literally, if you live in New York and you're one of my subscribers, I really care about you. So here's a little tip if you're into fashion as much as I am, and that is to follow 260 sample sale. And they also have one in LA, but that's like so far away from me. Sad. I did go to the one in LA when I was like going to a premiere for The Handmaid's Tale, like the last 2 episodes. Awesome. I have a blog for that. I'll leave a link down below. Here's a little tip for you guys. I have this gorgeous dress, paid under $100 for it, and it's close to 600. Like, not 600. I like to round up, but like 525. That's a lot. Anyway, no more talking about dresses. Let's go see what's happening with the food. So before I take these tags off and wash the glasses, I just wanted to show you guys these 2 gorgeous glasses that we got, right? So we got these in Waterford, Ireland, and we actually went to the factory and we did a whole like tour. So we got these glasses because we liked that they were the Forever Love Flute glasses in Waterford. Wow, this ribbon like
I think we just
so
liked
soft.
the design too, and then it just was like.
Oh yes, actually that's what we were drawn to first, right? So yeah, we were walking around, and it was the summer of our 5-year anniversary, and we were like, we should get some champagne glasses. We love champagne. We love like celebratory occasions. Like, we just love it. So, so we saw these and we were like, whoa, those are beautiful. And then they happened to be called Forever, and then we were like, okay, now we have to get these. So, yeah, we have them, and I'm gonna wash them for us, and I can't wait to cheers you with champagne.
Happy.
What do we have?
Tom.
Delicious, yum. Okay, let's do it. Justin's in charge of popping the bottles. Oh, good. That's good.
That's okay.
I didn't want it to shoot over there because I want to keep it. We should keep this actually. Pretty. Vintage, 2009. Excited to drink with you.